Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to hide phone number in Telegram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Telegram, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential. At very first, you need to tap on three horizontal line on top left corner. Here you can see the option of settings. Tap on it. Under settings section, you can see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it. Under privacy, there is the option of phone number. Tap on it. Who can see my phone number? Everybody, my contacts, nobody. For this video, we are going to hide phone number from everyone, so we will tap on nobody. So you tap on the checkbox of nobody. After you're done, you tap on the tick mark on top right corner. As you can see, the phone number has been changed to nobody. That means your phone number has been hidden in Telegram and no one will see your phone number in your profile. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to hide phone number in Telegram. Thank you.